You're on your dream trip. You're exploring a new city. You feel confident. You feel adventurous.
And then your phone dies. Suddenly you have no map. You have no GPS. You are completely lost. This is the ultimate travel pain point. You have to do the one thing you are terrified of, asking a stranger for help. You take a deep breath and you do it. You ask the question.
Excuse me, where is the museum?
It's super easy. Just go 2 blocks, hang a right at the lights. It's catty corner to the bank. Answer.
But they answer, but they speak so fast.
It's a wall.
You don't understand anything, but you are too embarrassed to ask again. So you just nod politely.
Thank you.
You say thank you, and you are now more lost than you were before. You feel hopeless. But what if you had a secret formula? A simple script for asking and, more importantly, for understanding the answer.
Today, I promise to give you that script. You will learn how to ask for directions and understand the answers every single time.
Welcome back to our series, Travel English Adventures. As we saw in the opening, that feeling of being lost and then being more lost after asking for help is one of the worst pain points of traveling. But don't worry, you can do this. The problem isn't that people are speaking too fast. The problem is that you are listening for grammar, but they are speaking in code. Today, we are going to learn that code. In this episode, we will turn this panic into a simple 3-part mission. First, we will learn the polite way to stop a stranger and ask your first question. Second, we will decode the secret code of giving directions. And finally, for our language focus, we will master the prepositions that tell us where things are. Are you ready to find your way? Your first mission is to bravely stop someone and ask for help. But how do you do it politely? Let's join Leo right after his phone has died. Part 1. Mission Hasson, the polite approach. Our story begins with Leo, lost and frustrated, looking at his useless paper map. His friend, Mia, who is traveling with him, comes over.
Leo, what's wrong? You look completely lost.
I am lost. My phone died, and this paper map is useless. I don't know where to go.
It's okay, we just need to ask someone. Look, there's a woman over there.
But what do I say? I don't want to be rude.
It's easy. The most important phrase is, excuse me.
That's the polite way to start. Just,
Excuse me?
Then you state your problem.
Yeah.
For example,
excuse me, I'm a little lost.
excuse me,
I'm a little lost. Can you help me?
Perfect. That's soft and friendly.
Now, you ask your main question.
Where is the museum? Is that okay?
That's good. Or you can be even more polite by using,
Could you tell me?
could you tell me where the museum is? Exactly. Or, I'm looking for the museum. There are many simple ways.
Okay. Excuse me, I'm a little lost. Could you tell me where the museum is?
That is a perfect 10 out of 10 question you're ready to ask.
Okay, but I'm worried about the answer.
Leo has mastered the first, and most important, step. How to ask for help politely. But he is right to be nervous about the answer. The answer is where the real challenge is. Native speakers don't give directions using complicated sentences. They use short, fast code words. Your job is not to understand every word. Your job is to listen for these specific codes. Part 2. Mission #2. Decoding the secret code. These are the phrases you need to train your ear to hear. The first code is for movement. If they say, go straight, or go straight on, it means continue walking in the same direction. If they say, go past the post office, it means you will see the post office and you must continue walking past it. If they say, turn left or turn right, It means change your direction at the next corner or intersection. And here's a tricky one: hang a left or hang a right. This is just slang for turn left or turn right. The second code is for distance. If they say, it's just on the left, it means it is very close. If they say, it's about 2 blocks away. A block is the area of buildings between 2 streets. This is a very common way to measure distance in American cities. The third, and most important, code is for location. This is the final part of the directions. It's on the corner, the place where 2 streets meet. It's across from the park, on the opposite side of the street. It's next to the bank, beside the bank. It's between the bank and the coffee shop, in the middle of those 2 places. Now that we know the secret code, let's join Leo again. He and Mia have decided to practice one more time before they get really lost. Mia pretends to be a stranger. Part 3. The aha moment. Understanding the answer.
Okay. Excuse me, I'm a little lost.
Oh, of course. What are you looking for?
Could you tell me where the nearest post office is?
The post office? Oh, that's easy. It's about 5 minutes from here.
Just go straight for 2 blocks. You'll go past a small park.
Go straight, 2 blocks, go past the park.
When you get to the big traffic light, turn right.
Turn right.
Turn right at the traffic light. Walk 1 more block and you'll see it.
Okay, 1 more block.
It's on the corner right across from a big red supermarket. You can't miss it.
On the corner across from the supermarket.
Okay, I think I've got it.
So, go straight for 2 blocks, turn right at the light, and it's on the corner?
You got it. That's exactly right. Thank you so much for your help.
He did it. That was a breakthrough. Did you see what Leo did? He didn't just nod and smile. He listened for the code words, and then he repeated the directions back. This is the #1 secret to understanding directions. Repeating the directions back to the person, like, so, I go straight, then turn right, confirms that you understood, and it gives them a chance to correct you if you are wrong. It is a brilliant, simple, and very smart hack. Part 4. Language focus. First, our 7 essential vocabulary words for today's lesson. Our first word is directions. Directions are the instructions on how to get to a place. For example, could you please give me directions to the museum? Our second phrase is to get lost. To get lost means to not know where you are. For example, my phone died, and I got lost. Our third word is block. A block is the distance between 2 city streets. For example, go straight for 3 blocks. Next, we have intersection. An intersection, or crossroads, is the place where 2 or more roads cross each other. For example, turn left at the next intersection. Our fifth phrase is to go past. To go past means to continue moving so that you leave a place behind you. For example, you will go past a big hotel on your left. The sixth word is straight. Straight means to continue in the same direction without turning. For example, keep walking straight. And our final phrase is across from. Across from or opposite means on the other side of something, like a street. For example, the bank is across from the park. Now for our grammar focus, prepositions of place and movement. The secret code of directions is all about prepositions. Movement prepositions tell you how to go. Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the corner. Go past the library. Walk towards the river. Place prepositions tell you where it is. It's on the corner. It's next to the shop. It's between the shop and the cafe. It's across from the park. You don't need to know every word they say, but you must listen for these small, powerful prepositions. You've learned the secret script for finding your way. Now, how can you practice so you are confident for your own trip? Part 5. Practice tips for the 4 skills. For listening, this is your best workout. Go to Google Maps, find a city in an English-speaking country, get walking directions from one place to another, but change the language to English. Then, just listen to the audio directions. This will train your ear to hear, turn left, go straight, etc. For speaking, practice with your AI tutor. Your prompt is, let's roleplay. I am a tourist in London, and I am lost at Buckingham Palace. I want to go to the British Museum. You are a police officer. Give me directions. For reading, find a map of a small, simple neighborhood. Write down the simple directions from one point, like the school, to another, like the library. And for writing, use your journal. Write down the directions from your home to your favorite cafe or park in English. Use the code words we learned today. First, go straight on my street. Then, turn left. Part 6. Your next action. Today, you have learned the secret script for one of the most stressful travel situations. You no longer need to be afraid of your phone dying. You have the polite phrases to ask for help, and you have the decoder keys to understand the answer. You can do this. As we conclude, let's quickly summarize our lesson. We followed Leo's adventure and learned the polite way to ask for help. Most importantly, we decoded the secret code of directions, the key verbs of movement, and the prepositions of place. We also learned 7 essential vocabulary words for this topic. As a review, those words were directions, to get lost, block, intersection, to go past, straight, and across from. The core message is this: don't be afraid to ask, and don't be afraid to repeat the directions back. It's not stupid, it's smart. Now, I have a final challenge for you. What is your favorite safe recreation topic, like hobbies, movies, or travel, to talk about with new people? Share your favorite question to ask in the comments section below. If you are committed to making this mindset a part of your life, show your energy by smashing that like button. Be a hero for a friend by sharing this video with someone you know who is directionally challenged. And to lock in your commitment to learning, subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss our next travel English adventure. Remember, getting lost is just the beginning of a good story. Until next time, take care and happy learning.